Hello everyone, this is Sainath, one of the faculty members of Masterminds for CA and CMA Institute. So previously we came up with a video regarding CMA Foundation online exam, the two home-based online exams which are going to be conducted in the month of July 2022. Now there is an official notification from Institute. That's why we made this video. In this video, we are going to cover all the contents of that notification. Okay, watch this video very carefully and note down the important points that are going to be discussed here. So in this video, we are going to cover system requirements that are needed in order to attend online exams and how we get ready for examination and what applications we need to install and how to start exam and what rules we need to follow in case of examination, nothing but called as examination ethics. And we can even find frequently asked questions along with some resolutions. So first one, system requirement. So here we need to have either laptop or desktop. Okay, for laptop or desktop you must have Windows 8 or above version. So Windows 7 laptops are not allowed, Windows 7 desktops are not allowed. You must have either Windows 8 or higher version. Next one, sir, I don't have laptop or desktop. Is there any alternative? Yes, there is an alternative. You can use mobile phone or tablet instead of laptop or desktop. But your mobile phone or tablet must have Android installed in it with a version of 5 or above. So Android 5 or higher version are allowed. Next one, apart from laptop or desktop or mobile phone or tablet, what other infrastructure we need to have? So we need to have proper internet connection along with proper power backup. So both these things are also mandatory. So for smooth running of exam. Okay, then which internet connection is reliable? So my advice is go for broadband services. So it is very reliable internet connection. So don't trust mobile hotspot. Okay, you utilize it, there is no issue, but it is highly recommended to use broadband services. So for uninterrupted internet connection. Next one, you should have proper power backup also. So if it is a mobile or tab, you must have a power bank. If it is a laptop or desktop, you must have some UPS connection. And you must give UPS connection to broadband service also if you want to use broadband service. Next one, what other requirements I need to have? So internet connection with 123 Mbps speed, so which is very popular in case of broadband services. So with broadband services you can easily achieve this speed. And your operating system, for Android it will be 5 and above, for Windows it will be 8 and above. Browsers, so you need to update Google Chrome. Sir, I am using laptop or desktop, sir, still you need to update Google Chrome to the latest version. Sir, I am using mobile phone, sir, or tab, sir, then also you need to update the Google Chrome which was there in Play Store. So update your Google Chrome browser to latest version, because all the applications that are used for online exams are based on Google Chrome only. That's why you need to update Google Chrome to the latest version. And you should have Flash player, JavaScript, and if you are using any antivirus software, then you have to disable that antivirus during the course of examination. And your time must be in IST, that is Indian Standard Time only. Next one, your webcam and microphone must be in working conditions. And for laptop or desktop, you need to download SAB Tool. So it is nothing but SAB, SAB. So then where to find this tool? So we are providing this link in the description of this video, so please check it out now. Okay, next one, then what about mobile and tab users? So mobile and tab users need to utilize an application called as CoCubes. The name of the application is CoCubes Assessment. So if it is laptop or desktop, SAB Tool. If it is mobile or tablet, they need to install CoCubes from Play Store, that is Google Play Store. Next one, sir, is it possible to check all these things before commencing exam? Because I want to attempt this exam uninterruptedly. So that's why I'm asking this question. So is it possible to check all these requirements before exam? Yes, definitely. So for this purpose, you need to access this link. And this is only for PC users, nothing but laptop or desktop users. For mobile users, no issue. So it will be taken care by CoCubes application. Okay, for them there will be no issue. But for system users, so they can check the system requirements by using this link. This link is also provided in the description list. Okay, so operating system, green color tick, browser version, green color tick. So if you find all green color ticks, then your system is capable of running the assessment test. So you can uninterruptedly attempt your examinations through that system. So here there will be webcam test also. So your photo will get displayed here, and there will be checking on audio also. So your audio must be audible and you must be clearly visible through webcam, then only you can pass this system check. So this is the final file. So webcam is working properly and Windows is Windows 10, Chrome is updated, JavaScript enabled, screen size fixed, timer fixed. So all these things are fixed. Now your system is ready for examination. Next one. Important instructions for laptop or desktop users. So I already said you must update your Google Chrome to latest version. Sir, how to find it, sir? Okay, let's have a look onto it. Google Chrome. So here you can see three dots. Click on these three dots. Go for settings and go for about Chrome. And here you can see Chrome is up to date. Chrome is up to date. If there is any update, so they will show an option called as update. If you click on that update, then Google Chrome will be updated to latest version. So this is how we need to update Google Chrome in laptop or desktop. So for mobile users, it is not so difficult. So go for Play Store and update Google Chrome. It will be sufficient. Next one. And clear all the cache browsing history before downloading SAB Tool. Sir, SAB Tool. So SAB Tool is nothing but it is a software which needs to be installed by laptop or desktop users. But for mobile or tablet users, it is not SAB Tool. It is CoCubes Assessment application. So they need to install this application from Play Store. Next one, camera and microphone. So ensure that camera and microphone is not blocked. Sir, how to find it out, sir? So you can check it in this system check box, or you can directly check in Google Chrome. So first we need to click on these three dots. Later go for settings. So in settings, privacy and security. Yeah. After that, site settings. Yeah, here we can find site settings and see here location, camera, microphone. But we want only camera and microphone. So camera, yes, it is working. Microphone, it is also working. So if it is not working, then it will show like this. Then you should click on this option. Okay, so this is how we need to ensure whether the camera and microphone are blocked or not. Next one. So after that, you need to download SAB Tool. Sir, how to get SAB Tool? So the link is given below, or you will get that link through your admit card, or institute will provide that link through email. So any link is okay. So all will download a single file, that is SAB Tool. For mobile and tablet users, so they have to open Play Store and they have to search for CoCubes Assessment. So they will get an option like this, that is install. So after installing, they will get an option that is open. So after opening this application, give all permissions that are required for running this app. So it will ask for notification permission. It will ask for display over apps permission. So you should give, you should allow this application to do all these things. Then only you can freely attempt your exam through this application. And very importantly, if you are a mobile or tablet users, then click on do not disturb. So if you click on do not disturb, then your calls, messages will get automatically cancelled. Okay, you can view your call history or you can view your message history after completion of exams. But during the course of exams, you will not get any call or you will not get any message. So you can smoothly write your exams. So here also you need to update Google Chrome to latest version. Next one. So by this we completed system requirements. Next question is how to get ready for examination. So you should have a separate room. You should have a separate room in order to avoid all kinds of disturbances. It may be audio disturbance or video disturbance, whatever it may be. So in order to avoid all these disturbances, you need to have a separate room. And try to avoid bright lights in the background. So what happens if there is any bright light in the background? Then your face will not be visible in the camera. So here you will get watched throughout your exam with the help of webcam. So that is the reason why don't place any bright objects behind you. Next one, adjust your microphone. Yes, along with webcam, microphone is also important because you will be proctored with the help of webcam as well as microphone. Next one, adjust the level of camera at the eye level. So here we need to place the camera, that is exactly at the level of eye. So don't keep camera here or don't keep camera here. So keep your camera on the system so that it will be on same level with eyes. Next one, sir, what about other apps, browsers, WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram? You should close all other windows, browsers, social media applications, all the things before commencing the exam. Sir, is it possible to open these things after exam is commenced? No, it is not possible. Next one. Yeah, I already said you must have uninterrupted internet connectivity. That's why I suggested broadband network. And you should have a backup plan also. That is power backup as well as connection backup also. Institute is no way responsible for your poor internet connectivity or your power failure. That's why make a proper backup before attending exams. Okay then, how to sit? This is not allowed. Sir, why sir? Because it is in poor lighting. This is also not allowed. Sir, lighting బాగుంది కదా, but still it is also not allowed. Why? Because you are looking sideways. So throughout the exam you should look at computer screen only. Next one, sir, here where is the person? He's gone. Okay, is this allowed in exams? No. So even for washrooms you are not allowed to go out of the webcam surveillance. So throughout the exam you should be on webcam surveillance only. So don't go away during the exam. Sir, can we use any calculator, pen, pencil, rough sheets? Yes, you can. Sir, can I mute the audio for a second in order to discuss with my parents or in order to discuss with my friends? No, it is strictly prohibited. So unplugging camera or muting audio system is strictly prohibited. If you did these activities, then you may get debarred in the examinations. Sir, can I press backspace or refresh button? No. Even if there is any system issue, don't press backspace or refresh. Wait. So it will get into normal situation and then start your exam. But don't press backspace or refresh button. Okay. Sir, what happens when I was caught while using a book? Then you will be automatically logged out of the examination. And you will get reported to the proctor, that is investigator, nothing but invigilator. Okay, and later you may get debarred. How to start exam? So after downloading CoCubes assessment application, so you will be asked for a code. So you need to enter a code, that is CMA Foundation. After that, this screen will get visible. Okay, what we need to do on this screen? So first of all, you need to provide your name, registration ID, nothing but your registration number, gender, date of birth, and you need to provide the assessment passkey, that is password, which is shared by institute on the day before exam. So please check your mails for these passkeys. This is important. So before commencing exam, check for assessment passkey. So without assessment passkey, you can't attend the exam. Sometimes they will ask you to enter CMA 2022 instead of CMA Foundation. Anything is okay. The instruction will be given on the day before exam. So on the day before exam, the instruction is like to provide CMA 2022 code, then you need to provide this code only. If the instruction is to provide this code, then you need to provide this code. So follow the instruction. Next one, enter login details. So after starting test, you are a laptop or desktop user, automatically again a system check will be done. So whether your OS is up to the date or not, whether your browser is up to the date or not, screen size, timer, so all these things will get checked once again. If they are all okay, then you can start your exam. So after providing name, registration number, gender, date of birth, passkey, you need to click on these 3 disclaimers. Otherwise you can't start your assessment exam. So you need to click on this first option, second option and third option, then only click on start assessment. So you will get your question paper. So without ticking these boxes, you can't start your exam. You need to tick all these 3 boxes. Okay, after that there will be a dialog box with agree and do not agree options. Okay, if you do not agree also, please click on agree only, because in order to start exam you need to agree it, otherwise your exam will not be conducted. So that is the reason why you should press agree button. Next one, click on start now. Okay, starting of the examination. Sir, here where is the person? Yeah, here there is the person. Sir, can I do like this? No, your face should be clearly visible on the screen. So ensure that your face is visible and captured properly in the webcam. Click again if face was not detected. What happens if my face is not visible? Then your examination will not start. Okay, once if your face is visible, then you can click on start test. Okay, after that they will ask for ID proof. You can take picture by using webcam, that is by showing your ID card to webcam, or you can browse the file. So browsing is best option when compared to taking a picture. Browsing is best option. So please make a photo of your ID card and save that ID card in your laptop or desktop or mobile or tablet, and after that click on browse option and click on the ID card. Then your ID card will get uploaded. Okay, after uploading ID card, you need to click on start assessment. Now you will get a list of questions. So every paper will consist of 2 subjects. So this is one paper. In this paper there are 2 subjects. One is fundamentals of economics and management and the second one is fundamentals of accounting. And you should answer all the questions. So attempt objective questions by selecting correct option. So you need to select. So it is not clearly visible, but previous video, so we provided a screenshot which is very clearly visible. Okay, select the option. So you need to select the option, then your option will be freeze. Sir, is it possible to modify it at later point of time? If I found it is a wrong answer, yes, you can. You can change your answer for n number of times. There is no issue. Then what I need to do? Just click on the option. It will be sufficient. Okay. So see all questions and click on that options. It will be sufficient. Sir, I answered all questions. Now what I do? Then you should go for next subject. In this paper, first subject is completed. You need to go for next section, that is next subject. So how to go for it? You can directly click here, you can directly click here, or you can click next section. Anything is okay. So if you click on this area or in this area, then you will be redirected to section 2, that is fundamentals of accounting. So after completion of all questions from part A and part B, that is section 1 and section 2, what I need to do? You need to submit, you need to click on submit button. This is final submission button. So don't click submit button before completion of exam. Sir, I know only about few questions. I don't know about other questions. Then can I submit? No. Because here there is no negative marking. No negative marking. So attempt all your questions. Because there is no negative marking, so you can attempt all the questions without any risk. So that is the reason why. So don't click submit button until you complete entire answers. So after completion of all answers only, you need to click on submit button. Because once you click on submit button, then your exam will get completed and you are not able to log in into the portal once again. Okay, that is the reason why what you want to do, do before clicking on submission button. After submission, nothing is allowed. So after clicking on submission button, you will get like this. So how many you attempted? 2 out of 10. Review. If you click on review, you will be redirected to before submission page. Okay, you don't want to go for review, then click on final submit button, which is here. So after completion of final submission, then your exam will get completed. Okay, and one more rule, you can submit only after 1 hour from the starting of exam. So before 1 hour, even though you completed all the questions, you are not allowed to click on submit button. So in order to click on submit button, at least 1 hour should be expired and you should complete all the questions. So what we need to ensure, so this point is also covered. Please ensure the wall behind you has a plain background with no objects hanging on it. So what is the main reason? To get a clear visibility, and avoid bright lights behind you, and don't sit in dark rooms. The only reason is you must be properly visible throughout the exam, because you will get monitored through webcam only. That is the reason why this type of requirements are brought into action. Next one, sir, can I go for washrooms or any emergency things? No, you should sit for entire 2 hours. You should sit for completion of entire exam. Next one, sir, can I close the window? Yes, you can, but only after completion of exam. So before completion of exam, don't close our application or windows. Next, examination ethics. Nothing but rules should be followed during exams. So system will detect your face. That's why don't move out. If you move out, then you will get debarred. Next one, system will detect multiple faces also. If any person behind you is helping, then definitely system will identify that person and you will get debarred. So please ensure that you are the only person who is visible to the webcam. If any person is traced in the webcam, then definitely you need to face some consequences. You can't do cheating also, because you will be continuously monitored through webcam as well as microphone. Sir, can I switch to one tab to another tab? No. So if system detects any such activity, then it will be considered as malpractice and it will take necessary actions against you. Sir, what happens if system detects any objects like mobiles, headphones? Then also it will be called as malpractice. Sir, can I do multiple logins at single point of time? No. If there is any multiple logins at single point of time, then definitely system will conclude that you are involving in a malpractice. So you will get debarred. Next one, some frequently asked questions. How to check the version of Windows? So click on start button and then setting, system, about. Okay, let's check it now. Start button is Windows button. Next, settings. Next, system. Next, about. So Windows version, which Windows version it is? Yeah, Windows 10 Pro. So you should have Windows 8 or higher versions. So you can check like this. Next one, how to check the version of browser? So already set, go to Google Chrome, click on these 3 dots, go for settings and here go for about Chrome and you will get whether there is any update or not. Next one, how to clear cache from the system? Okay, same, go to Google Chrome, 3 dots, settings, and after settings, more tools. I think yeah, don't go for settings, go for more tools. After that, go for clear browsing data. So you need to clear all this history, browsing history, cookies and other site data, cached image files and images and files. You need to clear all this data. Okay, next. So this is completed. How to give microphone and webcam access on Google Chrome? So again I will repeat, go for these 3 dots, settings, and then privacy and security, and then security, it is not security, site settings, and go for camera. So you need to check whether first option is selected or not for both camera as well as microphone. Next one, this is also completed. Sir, handling errors while downloading SAB tool. So for example, while downloading SAB tool from the given link, so the file is automatically getting deleted. Now what I need to do? So if it is automatically getting deleted, then you need to disable your antivirus program. So if there is any antivirus software on your device, then you need to disable that antivirus software for completion of exams. So disable antivirus and download it again, then there will be no issue. Sir, it is like it is asking a password, sir. What I need to enter? Simple. It is a password, system password. So if there is any administrative password for your system, then you need to enter that password. So for majority system, there will be no administrative passwords. If they are created by that person, then okay. If that person is not created it, then there will be no error like this. It is not an error, it is a password which is set by the system user. Next one. So while downloading SAB tool, I am getting this error message. Microsoft.NET framework is not installed on the machine. Then what I need to do? So here there is the link, and we are providing this link in the below description. So click on this link, and after that you will ask for download and install this feature. So click on download and install this feature, and the feature will get installed. Next one. Sir, while downloading SAB tool, I am getting an error like this. Windows protected your PC. So like this you will get a dialog box. Now what I need to do? So in this case you need to click on more info. After that you will have an option called as run anyway. So run anyway, you need to click on that option, run anyway. Then you will be directed to the exam portal. Next one. Sir, while opening SAB tool, so there is an error message, that is Windows protected your PC. Then what I need to do? So same. So if this error is removed and the same error is again repeating, that means any functionality may get missed. So that is the reason why we need to check for system functionalities. Okay, all things are okay, but webcam is not okay. Okay, now so recheck the webcam. If it is worked fine, you can be redirected to main exam portal. Next one. So there is an error, no internet during submission. Then what I need to do, sir? So generally your answers will get automatically submitted as and when internet is restored. Even though there is network issues, after getting a proper network, your answers will get updated. There is no problem in it. But if there is any internet issue during submission time and submission was failed, then what I need to do, sir? Because exam time is getting over, I need to click on submit button, but my internet is not working. Now what I need to do? So now don't worry. So here there will be a dialog box. In the dialog box you need to click on click here button, so that your answers will get downloaded in Excel format. So your answers will get downloaded in Excel format, and you need to forward that Excel file to ICAI support @ CoCubes.com. So if you forward that your answers Excel file to ICMI support mail, then your answers will be considered by the valuationer. So even though your submission is failed, you can do this physical procedure. There is no issue in it. Next one. So what happens if I entered incorrect details? If you entered incorrect details, then there will be an error called as incorrect access token or assessment URL. So please check your access token and assessment URL and restart your system and enter it once again. It will get opened. Sir, question paper is not visible at the start of assessment. What may be the reason? Slow internet speed. So if there is any slow internet speed, then go for better internet speed. Then your question paper will get visible to you. So if there is no question paper, then you should check your internet connection, whether it is fine or not. Definitely the main reason is internet failure only. What about error on consent page? So if you find this error, that means you had not agreed for the terms of ICAI. So first of all, you need to check all the dialog box at the time of logging in. Then only you will go for next page. So without checking those boxes, if you click on start assessment, then you will get this error. So please click on all checkbox and then start assessment. So I already showed this picture to you, but once again I will show it. Yeah, these are the options. Disclaimer 1, 2, 3. You need to agree all these things. After that, you need to agree this thing also. After that, you need to click on start now. Then only your exam will get started. Sir, unable to set up audio proctoring. Then what to do? Okay, then check your microphone functionality and restart your system and use the microphone, because microphone functionality as well as webcam functionality both are important. So without having these functionalities, you can't attend online exams. Attach webcam or microphone to support video proctoring. Yes, I already said the same. Now you must have microphone as well as webcam functionalities. How to download latest version of SAB Tool for laptop and desktop users? So here we are providing link in the description. Follow that link, you will get a latest version of SAB Tool. So what happens if there is an error like this? So candidate face is not visible on the webcam. So what happens when you face this error? Generally you will face this error while you are using calculators, pens and rough sheets. So at that time you can't see camera. So you will see on the rough paper and you will start doing your work. At that time it will give a warning like this: candidate face is not visible on the webcam. So that's why. So while doing rough work also, you need to see the system for every 10 seconds or 20 seconds. Then you will not get this type of errors. So what happens when I open any other tab or Google in order to search for answers? Then you will get warning sign. So what is that warning? Assessment will only open on safe assessment browser, that is SAB Tool or mobile app. Next one. Sir, it is showing invalid time error, sir. What I need to do? So first of all, you need to set a proper time zone. So what is the proper time zone? So click on here. So at the end of right bottom, you can see time as well as date. So click on that. Or you may go for Windows button and go for settings. So in settings, select time and language and click on set time automatically, and it should be Chennai, Kolkata, Mumbai, New Delhi region. The time zone must be Chennai, Kolkata, Mumbai, New Delhi. Don't select any other timeline. Select only Chennai, Kolkata, Mumbai, New Delhi. Then only you can answer your paper. Otherwise you can't attend your online exam. So by this we completed all the aspects that are covered in this notification. I hope all of you understand this very well, and all the best for your exams. Bye.